So today we're making this barbecue roast fish. I'm so tired of curry fish, fish curry, steamed fish, fried fish. Today we barbecuing the fish, right? So follow me in the kitchen and let's get started. So this is going to be a full meal recipe. Let's make some seasoned quinoa. I added oil, then in with my bell peppers, onions, garlic. Give that a stir, let it go 2 minutes. Then in with a washed quinoa, and we will season it a little bit. So I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. Once you give that a real good toss, let it fry up for about 2 minutes, and then we'll come in with the liquids. Next, you want to add some coconut milk, some chicken broth, and you're going to give it a stir and let it come up to a simmer first. Then you will lower the heat, set the lid on, and let it go for a good 30 minutes or so. I basically cook this the way I would cook white rice. So after 30 minutes, this is now done. I like to let it hang out for about 15 minutes before I go in and fluff it. In with some butter, onions, and garlic. Let it go for 2 minutes. Then we will come in with some seasoning for flavor and taste. I will now add some bok choy and let it go for about, let's say, 2 minutes or so. I want this kind of steam. I don't want it overcooked. And then I went in with some chili oil or crisp chili. And that's it, guys. All done. We can now set this to the side and let's prepare our fish. So here I have a medium-sized red snapper that I went ahead and washed. And I'm going to combine all my seasonings with a little oil. And we're going to go ahead and coat the fish very well with those seasonings. As you can see, I place some incisions or score the fish, and I just make sure that the seasonings went all up into the scores, into the belly, the gut, everywhere. And once I was done, I let it sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. Now let's mix up our barbecue sauce. I'm adding some regular Sweet Baby Ray's, and here I have Korean spicy barbecue sauce. You guys need to tap into the other cultures' groceries. It is so good. Then I added some mustard for that tang. We're going to give everything a good stir, and this we will use to coat our fish. So after 30 minutes of marinating, we're going to go ahead and coat our fish generously with the sauce. Remember, fish don't take a long time to cook, so you want to coat it now and then put it in the oven. Once it is nicely coated, you want to place this in a 425-degree oven for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, this is how it's looking. Perfectly divine. And now we can plate up and enjoy. When I tell you this meal was so good, chef kiss delicious. And this was one of the days where I had to cook 3 meals because my family wanted something different. So I made this meal for me, which I enjoyed. And then I made some spaghetti with ground chicken for my husband. And my daughter, she wanted doubles. I don't know what's the obsession with her and doubles, but every minute she want me make doubles. So yeah, give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.